Okay, if no questions, so let's do one more then. So it says, section G, Matir Neder, annulment of the vows of Tzedakah. As mentioned previously, one has ability to annul vow either through Pesach of Charata, right? So Pesach is open and Charata is regret, right? So, like regret. Furthermore, it is a mitzvah for one to annul the Neder as to avoid violating the vow. So if you're not going to fulfill the vow, for whatever reason, so it's better like to annul it than just keep it hanging, because otherwise it would be about tacher, like you procrastinated, which is even worse than to annul it. Nonetheless, when one makes a vow to give tzedakah, he should not fulfill it unless he has no choice because of a very urgent situation. Nonetheless, when one makes a vow to give tzedakah, he should not nullify. He should not nullify unless he has no choice because of the urgent situation, right? So meaning the person lost his job or something. But even if person who lost his job and he still has money, he has to give, unless it's crazy amount out of the abnormal amount or something. However, the Neder is still considered annulled, even if one were to annul it, vow without the existing or compelling reason. So meaning reason is better, but even without reason he can annul. Let's see how. Although we have just established that if one made the Hataras Nedarim on the vow of Tzedakah, it is considered annulled, but that is only in a case before the money was given to the indigent, or one collecting for him. So you can do all of this annulment only before you give, but like after you already give, so you cannot ask for money back. That's too much. I mean, I heard from Rabbi Reuven Shlita that people ask for money back, unfortunately. However, once the money was disbursed, right, to either one, right, meaning either one, meaning to the poor person or to one who collects for poor person, one would not be able to annul the vow. That's it. You gave the money. That's it. That's too late. So that's cannot annul the tzedakah. And tzedakah also helps, like when you want to recover something, right? And a very slim chance that you can get it, right? So you would say, I want to give like partially to tzedakah, like 20%, 50%, whatever, 15, whatever, 17, whatever percent you want, or a set amount to tzedakah, and see how it's going to work, right? So we can stop here.